In order to create a simple 360 project, start by uploading your assets into the AR Media Platform's Asset Manager. In this case, we'll use a 360 degrees photo, a 3D model and a button. Move to the Projects area, and create a new spatial project. Add a thumbnail. It is a mandatory requirement. Create a new experience. Create a scene with a 360 image you want to recall later. Create a scene with a 3D model you want to display at beginning. Edit the scene by adding your assets. Position and scale the 3D model and the button as you prefer. Eventually add a 3D text to enhance the user experience. Access the Behaviors Manager, and create the desired user interaction, by connecting events to actions, using the arrows. When you're done editing the scene, save it. Make sure you manage the display order correctly by using the Set as First option. Finally, you can visualize your project on mobile, using the AR Media Player.